Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Initial Capabilities Document, or what I call an ICD. What is the Initial Capabilities Document? The Initial Capabilities Document is one of three major requirements documents developed in the Defense Acquisition System. The ICD documents the need for a materiel approach or an approach that is a combination of materiel and non-materiel to address a specific capability gap. It defines the capability gap in terms of the functional area, the relevant range of military operations, desired effects, and time. The ICD summarizes the results of the doctrine, organization, training, materiel, leadership, and education, personnel, facilities and policy, EMLPFP, analysis and describes why non-material changes alone have been judged inadequate in fully providing the capability. What is the purpose of the Initial Capabilities Document? The purpose of the ICD is to guide the concept refinement and technology maturation and risk reduction phase of the Defense Acquisition System. It supports the analysis of alternatives and the milestone, A, decision. The outcome of an ICD could be one or more .EMLPF change recommendations or capability development documents. How and when is the Initial Capabilities Document developed? The ICD is developed by the Joint Capabilities Integration and Development System process. The primary objective of the process is to ensure the capabilities required by the joint warfighter are identified, along with their associated operational performance criteria, requirements. The figure here shows the defense acquisition process combined with the key Joint Capabilities Integration and Development System process documents. The rectangle highlights where the ICD is developed and finalized. An approved ICD is required for the material development decision. Once the ICD is developed, it is not updated. What content goes into the Initial Capabilities Document? The main topics an ICD must address are: Concept of Operation Summary, Joint Capability Area, Required Capability, Capability Gaps and Overlaps or Redundancies, Threat and Operational Environment, Ideas for Non-Materiel Approaches, .EMLPFP analysis, Final Recommendations, and finally, Mandatory Appendices. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Initial Capabilities Document. Please visit the webpage for more information to include a ICD Writer's Guide and examples. Congratulations of finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT.